Hello everyone. In this video, I'm giving you a full tutorial on how to use Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app that handles balance management, savings, stocks, peer-to-peer payments, and even offers a card for spending your balance. You can manage nearly all your finances within this app, and it's designed to be incredibly user-friendly. Once downloaded, begin the sign-up process, which is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. You'll provide some personal info and link your bank account, typical of any finance app. After setup, let's explore the essential features you'll need to know, starting with your cash balance at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find options to add or cash out funds, allowing you to transfer money to and from your bank. For example, if you receive a payment, simply tap Cash Out to send it to your bank, or tap Add Cash to bring more funds from your bank into Cash App. If you'd prefer not to rely on a traditional bank, Cash App also has a direct deposit feature where you can have paychecks directly deposited into your cash balance. Now that you understand the cash balance, let's explore other features. On the home screen, you'll find investment options, a card for spending your balance, a peer-to-peer payment option, an Explore section, and an activity screen that shows recent transactions, people who sent you money, and bonuses. Let's look at peer-to-peer payments. This is a core Cash App function, letting you send money to other users. In the top right, you can access your profile, where you'll find your cash tag under your name. Share this with others or ask for theirs to send or receive money. Just type an amount like $10 and select USD or other options like Bitcoin or gift cards if you're interested in those. Then tap Pay. Enter the recipient's cash tag, type a note if you want, select the recipient, and hit Pay again. It's really that easy. Next, let's talk about the Cash App card, one of the app's major features. If you haven't set it up yet, Cash App will guide you through designing a physical card that you'll receive in the mail. This card is linked to your Cash App balance and can be used for purchases at stores or online. The middle of the screen shows an Explore Boosts button where you can find different ongoing offers. For example, you might get 99% off a Discord purchase or 2% off at Target. Just tap Add Boost to apply it, and your next relevant purchase will apply the discount. You can even add this card to Apple Pay, set up roundups to fund investments, or lock the card for security if it's misplaced. Let's move back to the home screen for other features. Cash App's savings feature is straightforward. You can add funds and set goals. Bitcoin options let you buy, sell, and transfer Bitcoin easily. Similarly, the stock feature is a great way to start investing with as little as $1. You can buy or sell shares in nearly any company, and the app's ease of use is perfect for beginners or those wanting to experiment with small amounts before scaling up. So, that's an overview of Cash App, covering its main features to help you get started. It has everything you'd need from a bank or investing app, and the simple interface makes it a great option for nearly anyone. If you ever get stuck, just tap the icon in the top right, scroll to Support, and start a chat at the bottom of the screen. The support team responds quickly, and I've used it often with great results. Overall, this video gives you a solid understanding of Cash App, and I hope you find it helpful.